To all YouTubers, I'm going to be doing this, and this might be okay for some persons, but this might not be okay for some persons. But the honest truth is that I am here to motivate you. Okay? It's hard. I know. It is difficult. I know. It is heart breaking when you are trying to put out videos, you're not seeing that views. There are some points in your life where you feel like crying. Some days you cry because I've been in that shoes before, so I understand your pains. Even to this point, there are some days I tell myself, YouTube is not easy. Should I just quit? So there is no shoes that you are going through right now at this phase of your YouTube channel that I am also not going through at this phase of my YouTube channel. And that is why I am bringing this to you guys. This is like a letter to you. The letter that Vibe with Sonia is sending, even if this video is just a short clip video, is no matter how difficult it is, no matter how hard it is, no matter how disheartening it is, no matter how you try to invest money on your channel and you're not yet seeing results, it's not yielding fruits, you are not seeing what you are supposed to see, your heart is bittered, your mind is sad, you keep going from one live stream to another, you keep getting subscribers, YouTube keep taking down those subscribers, you keep getting those watch hour, YouTube keep taking down those watch hour. And at some point you've told yourself, I am giving up on YouTube. I don't think this platform is for me. I don't think I am meant to be here. Probably this platform is for Vibe with Sonia. This platform is for Dinah Ekweme. This platform is for Wodemaya. This platform is for Sisi Yemi. This platform is for Delicious Food. I am quitting. I am leaving. I just want to tell you something today, that you are not alone. In this journey of yours, I am here with you. Yes, I might not be giving you all of that support. I might not be watching all of that videos that you have always uploaded. I might not be thumbsing up. I might not be commenting. But I just want you to know that as a Vibe with Sonia community, I love you so much. And I want to tell you that you should keep up what you are doing. I am here to motivate you. I am here to give you that shoulder that you can cry on, to tell you that, trust me, your YouTube channel is definitely going to be successful. It doesn't matter if you've been uploading for years, it doesn't matter if you have been here for months. But one thing for sure that I am very, very sure of is that at the end of the tunnel, you are definitely going to make money out of YouTube. Don't give up your hustle. Don't give up your dream. Don't give up your editing skills. Don't give up. Trust me and trust God. You are definitely going to arrive at your destination. Trust me that one day you are going to sit back and you're going to turn and smile and say, so yes, I did it. I have been in that shoes before. And today, if I sit down sometime, I look at my stress, where I've been through, the stress of having a YouTube channel, the stress of not having anybody to motivate me, the stress of not having anybody to tell me that Vibe with Sonia, you can do it. Trust me, you can do this. Don't give up on your channel. Don't give up. No matter the emotional breakdown, the emotional trauma, the psychological, any kind of trauma or any kind of situation you're finding yourself, and you feel like you want to give up in your social media career, don't give up. It is definitely going to pay. You are definitely going to reap what you have sown. I am telling you. And when you are going to reap it, you're going to reap it in 10,000 folds. That at the end of the day, once you sit down, you're going to look back and say, thank you, Sonia, for motivating me. If you are among those people that will not give up on your YouTube channel, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section and say, Vibe with Sonia, I am not giving up on my YouTube channel. I am not giving up on my YouTube journey. Say, Vibe with Sonia, I am going to continue to do what I know how to do best. I am going to, oh God, guys, don't give up. I don't know what else to say. I just said I should write this letter to my community, to my beloved people that love me so much. And that a lot of YouTubers that are doing tutorial like this are not doing this, but I want to do it. This is my feed. This is my community. And you guys are one thing I love so much. Please don't give up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, I love you guys from the depth of my heart. I do.